The human body quiz. Can you get a perfect score? Question 1. Which hormone is often referred to as the happy hormone? Answer B. Dopamine. Question 2. What is the formation of new blood vessels called? Answer C. Angiogenesis. Question 3. In which part of the body is ACL surgery performed? Answer C. Knee. Question 4. To which condition does the term epilepsy refer? Answer A. Blind. Question 5. Which one of the following is a pigment? Answer C. Melanin. Please drop your score in the comments and don't forget to like and share to help others gain knowledge too.